Hello, my good friends. I'm excited for today. I have my geode coaster molds ready to go. I've picked out my colors. Today I'm going with moss green and gold. And I recently got an order from Counterculture. And this is their natural quartz. This is medium size. So this will be going in the center of the coasters. So hopefully this turns out great. I'm really excited to try these. I've also got, let me grab it. I also ordered this little wooden geode shaped thingy. I don't really know what to do with it, to be honest with you. Like, obviously, you know, resin and stuff, but I'm gonna have to look up some videos of other people using these to see what they did, how they did it, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my resin all mixed up, get the colors all mixed up, and then I'm actually gonna come back and talk to you as I pour. Just something a little different today. So yeah, no music today. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Hang tight. I'll be right back. Alright, friends. Colors are all mixed up. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I think what I'm going to do is just pour green and then gold. And I'm going to start in the center. So I've got roughly 100 milliliters of each. I mixed up 400 milliliters, and I set aside 80 milliliters because I'm pouring some handles for a tray off camera today. So that'll be the next video. I'm making a tray. Now, I don't know if this is going to look good, but I guess we shall find out. Okay, it looks like this one needs a little more. Apologies if you can hear my stomach growling right now. Okay. Green is so pretty, and it's actually, yeah, it looks like it's coming out good on camera, like the colorization of it. The colorization, wow, way to try to make big words, Megan. The coloring of it is showing up properly on camera. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my gold. Shush it, stomach. Okay. Oh, by the way, today I'm using the Total Boat tabletop. That's what I've got here today. Now this one, I also have noticed that it has a shorter working time than the Dr. Crafties that I use, which does or will come in handy when I start piping flowers and stuff with it, because then I don't have to wait so long for it to thicken up. Okay, so we've got those. I'm going to hit them with my heat gun, so Apologies for the sound. Okay, and now I've got clear to go on top, and then I will add the gems or the quartz, and I'm hoping, I'm going to pour from a higher level here to push it out. I'm hoping that the quartz are heavy enough to basically push past to the other side. Okay. Oh yeah, they are. Good. No! I'm trying to get them in the center. You. Go over there. Okay. I'm going to try pouring it straight out the bag. I just don't want to pour too many. Ah, what do I do? Oh, what do I do, guys? So I just do it like this. All right. Now, go back in and add just a little bit more clear. Okay. I'm also going to move these ones around because I see them poking up, and I don't want them to poke up. All right. Well, it's interesting looking nonetheless. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Yeah. So, we're going to give this our usual 24 hours to cure up. Come back, unmold them, see how we feel. I will be hitting these again with my heat gun. I always use a heat gun. I never use a torch because you can really like damage your molds with a torch. So, that's what the plan is, Stan. Stick around to see how they turn out. Alright, friends. They're all cured. I'm so excited. Okay. These look really cool from this side. So even if the back side doesn't look good, I'm super excited about these. So let's get to unmolding. Okay, I'm not looking. Not looking. Let's see. Oh, dude. That's crazy looking. Look at that. It almost looks like alligator skin or something. Wow. That's really cool looking. Okay, I'm excited. I can't tell which side I like more. Which side do you guys like more? You let me know. Oh, so cool. I was really worried that the gold was just going to wash out all of the green. I'm so happy that the green stuck around. Okay, here's the next one. Wow. That is freaking cool looking. But again, I can't tell which side I like better. Alright, leave that one that way. Okay. I mean, still, that is just so cool looking from the top. Wow. Wow, that's even more prominent than the other ones. Look at that. Man, that's cool. That is so cool looking. Oh my god. Okay, I may have found my new favorite coaster technique. Now watch. I'll do this exact same thing with the exact same formula, and it'll never turn out the same again. Okay. So there's the top. Wow. These are just so cool. Man, I'm excited about this. Okay, guys, so I need you to tell me which side you like more, the top or the bottom, because it's too much for me to decide. I am going to line these with gold. Yeah. Oh, so cool. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please stick around by hitting the
subscribe.
And please give the video a thumbs up because your girl done did good with this one. This one definitely deserves a big fat thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.